Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm reusing this canvas. It's 16 by 16 inch canvas and composition just didn't, I don't know, speak to me so much. So I decided that I will play with my hair dryer a little bit, trying to create some ocean theme acrylic pour. I used white and some blues leftovers from my previous pours and gold. This is ore by these little piggy pigments, and I have some Prussian blue, some Indentrine blue, and turquoise blue, turquoise green by Amsterdam. And for the sky part, or how can I say, the top part, I will use just scrape of paint from my previous pour. I just scrape it off from the table back to the cup, and I will just pour that on without mixing it, just like I scraped it from the table. And I'm kind of glad that I did that, because this is the scrape of paint. You can see that it's kind of light blue and mostly light blue with some white lines. That's how it looks when you use some blues and white and you scrape that off. So I will basically just blow this out and then blow the chaos part of the Dutch pour out, and at the end I will just try to mimic some waves with the straw, and it worked pretty well for my taste. I'm really happy with this Dutch pour. If you know me, you know that I didn't have a big success with Dutch pours before. And I forgot to tell you, this paint is just thick, like I would use it for ring pour or something. Is not thin consistency that you would normally, if I can say normally, use for the Dutch pour. Maybe this is the key for me, not to use paint that it's too thin. I just don't know how to work with really thin paints. So I will play you some music, and don't forget to check the final result, the dried results. They are really beautiful. If you will watch the whole thing, I will be really grateful, because it helps a lot with the algorithms. YouTube is kind of rough lately, or how can I say? Yeah. Thanks for being here, and please watch till the end and tell me in the comments what you think about it. Okay, I love this. It's beautiful. Love the movement. I love this scrape of paint. It's kind of mimic the sky. I love it. I'm happy with this one. Stay tuned for the dried result. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I really like it. I like how that scrape of paint look here. I like the details that I did with my straw. I like the colors. I like the composition. I like the whole painting. So yay! So happy. What do you think about it? Do you like it as I do? And don't forget, Sunday premieres for the auction piece. Hope to see you there or in one of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.